Hi, there is a common confusion in the IT world, the difference between big data analytics and big data engineers. Understanding these rules is crucial for anyone looking to enter the field of big data. So let's dive into it. Let's start first with big data analysts. They use tools and languages like Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, SciPy, or NumPy. For example, big data analysts may use Pandas to manipulate data frames or Matplotlib to generate visualizations. A key point to remember here as a big data analyst is that you don't really worry about from where the data comes from. Your primary focus is on extracting meaningful insights from the data directly. So if you enjoy working with data directly, making reports and visualizations, this role may be for you. Now let's move on to big data engineer. The role is more complex and technical, involving not only data analysts, but also data gathering, storage, and processing. Big data engineers need to be familiar with tools like Kafka, Hadoop, Cassandra, or Spark. They handle data ingestion, which means gathering the data from different sources, or data in motion, which refers to real-time data processing. Moreover, big data engineers often work with big data architectures. For example, Lambda architecture, which allows for both batch and stream processing of data. This means they need a deep understanding on how to build and maintain a data pipelines to ensure the data is accurate, available, and secure. If you are interested in the technical side of the data and enjoy building systems, this role is the right path for you. To sum it up, big data analysts focus on extracting data to get insights using tools like Python or Pandas without worrying about data storage or gathering. On the other hand, big data engineer working on end-to-end data processing, from gathering data to ensure data processing efficiently. Both are crucial roles in big data fields. Your choice depends on whether you prefer to work on data directly or the technical challenging of big data engineering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.